All right, hey ninth graders, it's Mr. Cry. I just want to give you these directions in a video so you can see for sure what you're going to be doing today. So in class today, you're going to spend all your time working on the project that we just started looking at yesterday. So in It's Learning, you're going to go, we're actually skipping over Unit 2, we're going right to Unit 3, Fake News. If you go to the main page, you are going to go first, I want you to review the PowerPoint slides. So click on PowerPoint slides and then click on Unit Introduction and Newspapers. And then open that up. And what I want you to review for sure is the information that appears on these pages here, okay? So you're going to look at the difference between these styles of newspapers again that we looked at yesterday. And then I want you to read this again, okay? Read the details of what a broadsheet newspaper is and the details of what a tabloid newspaper is, okay, and go through these different slides. Talk to your partner about this, okay? You're going to be working with a partner, so feel free to talk with your partner. So go through all these things, and then you're going to have an assignment here, okay? So I'm going to exit out of PowerPoint now. So this is telling you you're going to go to these two files. So you're going to go back here to the main page again, and you're going to find these two. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is click on the Johnny Depp's Dogs document. And before you do anything else, you should open up this document and just read it. Okay, and if you want to read it with your partner or read it silently, that's up to you. And let's see where mine is. Sorry. All right, so here it is down here. So take 5 or 10 minutes, please, before you do anything else to read these articles. Look at the headlines, look at the pictures, read the article, and start thinking about the article. And actually, there's two separate articles from two different papers. So start thinking about what makes these two different, what's similar. Okay, so again, take 5 or 10 minutes just to read and analyze these articles. All right. After you've done that, you are then going to open up this one. And with your partner, again, you're going to fill this out. Okay, I'm not going to go through this whole thing. It should be fairly self-explanatory. If you have questions, talk to your partner, talk to somebody else in the room, talk to the substitute teacher who is there, and they should be able to help you out. This should take your entire class time. If you finish early, that means you probably need to go back and do a little bit more writing. Okay, so don't go through it too quickly. This should be something that takes the entire class period. Talk about it with your partner, think about it, write about it. And if there's time at the end, if everybody does finish and there's time at the end, you can share as a class. Okay, but this isn't something you should go through quickly. It should take most of the class period. All right, and partners, I would like you to partner up this way. Aliana and Ibar, I'd like you to partner up. I would like Misaki and Jun to partner up. And then Takuto and John can partner up. Okay, and I think Alize is out today. If she's in today, then she can just join another group. Okay, so good luck, have fun, and I'll see you next week.